And action. Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going? Today's Friday. It is July 16th, 2021. We're on episode 9 of the series. Episode 9. Let's go ahead and check the news. Sorry, I'm kind of filming this one a little bit later. It's already 1:37 Eastern time. The markets are down today, about 0.25% from the SPY. Dow, everything's down about 0.25%. Newegg's up big today. Don't know any of these companies. Oh, there's Costco. AMC Active, Apple, Neo is down. Virgin Galactic is also down again. So there's that. Wall Street Journal. U.S. retail sales actually rose in the month of June, so good recovery for the economy still. There is rising coronavirus cases worldwide. Lockdowns are kind of happening in other countries, but hopefully it doesn't happen here. Intel's going to start building chips. Ooh, I like that. All right, cool. So let's check the journal. So yesterday, we had the Twitter put, we made some money. I already checked this earlier, and we got stopped out on this SPY call today since the SPY was down pretty big. Kind of why I don't like taking weekly trades, but I went ahead and tried it anyway. So we lost $96 on this one, stopped out. Also, the Martin call, we lost money, and the Heartland call, we lost money. So we're definitely losing some money. Let me close this Martin out real quick. Orders, so I have open orders. Don't know. Account, positions, close this Martin out. Just throw it at market price, preview. Probably $0. You should always close these options. So it expires today, but you should close it if you can. Call at market price was rejected. There is no bid ask currently, so no one's going to buy this call. That's funny. So this is going to expire worthless. Martin went down 5% today, so yeah, we lost all our money on that, 25 bucks. So let's go back to the sheet. Martin, we lost 100% of our money, 25 bucks. So we're losing money slowly but surely. Today is Friday, so let's maybe check Intel, and I want to check Twtr. See if we can do 2 trades today. Friday. So the SPY is down. Here's our call. It went below $2. Here's just today alone. So just been dropping. We bought it at what, 295 yesterday, so this is kind of why I don't like buying weekly SPYs and calls. You should never hold them overnight. Kind of trade those same day. As you can see, this is today at 9:40 in the morning. It was at 295. Went all the way down to 208. So maybe we could have bought there and sold here. But yeah, that's why I don't do weekly. We'll put a note in here. Don't hold. Stopped out. Don't hold weekly options overnight. And that's just a kind of common rule you guys should be doing. So let's go back and check what we can get into today. Let's go check INTC. It's at $55. I was actually talking to my friend about Intel a few days ago. Here's kind of the monthly chart, up to $57, down as low as 55. So we're kind of at the bottom here. 3-month chart. We'll go to 6-month chart. So here's a 6-month chart. So back in January, stock's at $55, kind of made a run up to 61, 65. Beat earnings there, Got all the way up to $67. It's been trading sideways. Let's check these studies. RSI. Same boring indicators, my friends. It's not overbought or sold. Let's do moving average, exponential. So it is just barely below the moving average. So we're gonna wait to buy this, but what is this? I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know what that is, but anyways, so let's go check the options. I want to buy. Let's check some Intel options for December. 154 days away. You don't actually have very good volume on these. Kind of surprising. Kind of surprising, but it's only 300 bucks to go. Stock needs to get back to 60, so that's just a little too far-fetched for me. Check the leaps. So leaps a lot more appealing here, in my opinion. Stock only needs to get to $66 by 2023. Let's buy this one. Actually, let's place a limit order on this one. First, let's check the chart. Here's the last 6 months. So this option was last year worth about $4. Went all the way up to 15, down to 675, up to 8, down to 677. So we're kind of really like to see where it goes from here, but we're just gonna buy it just for the hell of this video. Buy one. Let's just throw it at, yeah. Last trade was at 675. We'll place an order for 675. 2023. Whoa, sorry about that. So we've got an Intel January of 23, 5750 call, 1, 675. Let's do the stop at 550. So we're risking 125 bucks on that one. And I wanted to check out a Twtr call. So Twitter's down again. They do have earnings next week. I don't know if that's going to get filled, but we'll leave it. Can I add this to a watch list? Anyways, whatever. There you go, add to watch list. And stocks to buy this week, save, and let's go check out Twtr. So Twtr is down again. So our put option would have been doing work right now. We're down to 66 bucks. It was up to 70, 71.50 when we bought it the other day. So we literally bought it at the high. Earnings. Ugh. This one's tough here. This one is tough, folks. They do have earnings next week. So the calls are down a little bit today. 67 call. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I buy a call option? I'm talking to myself because I have no following. But yeah, this is a little too expensive for me. Even the put options are not that expensive, so man, I want to buy one of these, bro. Let's buy a put and a call. Let's do a little earnings play. So we're gonna trade this. We're gonna buy one of these. So 1 week expiration on this bad boy, $66. This is real risky, folks. Real risky. I'm gonna buy a 67 call. Let's buy one of these. Limit. Market. Alright, so let's add these to the chart. Bam, Twtr. What about a 67 call? And we're gonna buy a 66 put. So it's the Twtr Strangle. We think this is gonna go up or down big time here. Orders. So the put we got for 335 and 360. Real risky play here. Let's do 250 and so we're risking $110 and 250. What is this? Oh, Intel call. And so we got 3 calls today, boy, or 2 calls and a put. Earnings Strangle on Twtr. So my hopes on this thing, so let's go back to positions. Look, you can trade lab this and oh, what did I just do? All right, analyze. Can I analyze it? Oh, here you go. So here's the risk profile. So the price moves 5%, 5%, 4 days. We basically need the price to go up or down in any direction pretty severely to make money here. But yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. Not really my style of trade, but that's what we're doing. Let's go back to the performance, balances, positions. And this Intel still didn't get filled. Well, I don't want to overpay, so we'll do limit order. Limit order 675. Call leap. So we've made $272 so far. I've done 12 trades. I've only been right 1/3 of the time, which is not very good. But yeah, but we're just doing this for fun. We're doing this for practice. We're doing it on paper trading. Don't always trade like this, but I want to try new things and just kind of see if we can make some money here. And yeah, that's it. That's it for today. Today's Friday. I hope everyone has a good weekend. It is almost 2 o'clock Eastern time. You know, just be safe, have some fun, save your money, put it in the markets on Monday. Let it ride, baby, let it ride. Check out my blog, midnight-finances.com, right here. It's not great, but it's a work in progress, just like my YouTube channel. I don't know how to make this load faster if anyone has tips. But I got some articles here. Cryptocurrency? Yeah, I like crypto. Just you know, short little article. Good stuff though. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. I will post a video on Monday. I should be good to post a video all day next week, but after that I am going on vacation. So last week of July I'll probably be doing no videos. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.